He should be live again. Hopefully this time it will work. Made a partition for Twitch chat today. No. I need to quit and open it. Give example a sample. What do I do now? I remember I've added. Oh, also forgot. See. Why it's so little? So on Chatry I wanted to git add some git commit. So my major thing is a shell system. Did I push? Yeah. Okay, so now we can use full power. Everything around me just makes random sounds. Come on, Twitch, why it's 0 viewers? I even have my chat overlay working. I have like 2 chatters and 0 viewers. What a shame. So yeah, I remember adding type table here. I think I should move it into type inference. Yeah, it's here already. No, because I hate when this tree expands like that. Why? Like actually, why? So yeah, let's make type inference actually work. Let's also there's r hash type. There's type. Yep. Integer constant will take a type. And this should actually borrow the type. So this will be not an option but a borrowed type. Oops, sorry. So icons, this will be a type and this will be a value. Convert type. Name this to convert Why did I just erase this word? Okay, so I hate this. Okay, so synthesize a type. Okay, so this is an r hash type a wildcard, not infer. And this one is a wildcard as well. Okay, apparently, yeah. I mean, should have expected this. Size colon space none replaced by r hash type colon space. What was it? Orco ir type wildcard. Oh, hold on. Okay, now it probably even compiles. Ooh, Twitch finally found out that I have one viewer. Oh wow. What? Like every single token. Oh yeah, I mean, it makes sense. They have all those unsupported syntax functions and a lot of unsupported syntax stuff. It panicked, not yet implemented type wildcard in type smoother s. It's here. Yeah, I need to put errors and error and wildcard. Orco ir type wildcard. Type inference wasn't done properly. Look, not all types got inferred. Oh, hey Captain Onosa, I don't remember how to pronounce your name already. Yeah, I've got a plushie for you. You can actually put an underscore here, space, I think. And you can type crocodile. I have all kinds of substitutions for that. And also I've got sh command, which you guessed it, runs a shell command. Everything else you can figure out yourself. Wildcard and error. Error will panic. IR contains errors. Oh, you can separate commands with a semicolon. Oh, this is QM casing. And there are different commands like distro, which takes didn't work for some reason. But I mean it Yeah, that's how it works. So many. Yeah, this command should spawn a sequence of plushes which signify a Linux distribution. There's also a game dev which gives you a random game dev stack. I mean, this one for sure should work. You can write a game using Emacs as an editor, WebGPU, and why is fish here? I don't know. Actually, why? Oh, I know why. I meant that fish, you can use fish shell as a programming language. But I mean, interfacing with WebGPU from fish. I saw someone does this with Bash, actually. Yeah, new Vim is a plushie. There are 87, I think, of them. So yeah, type inference wasn't done properly. I need to do some type inference on expressions on. Let's see what I can do. But I mean, like, can't really do type inference and type checking on the same pass. I actually need two passes of type inference. So like infer types, then goodbye, I guess. So like I need to a pass to infer types, I need a pass to substitute them, and a pass to check them, which is oh my god, a lot, a little more than I would like to have. I guess infer types. Target type, yeah. If our hash type is wildcard, I need to assign it ID, because wildcards should have an ID. How do I call this thing? Inferred? I mean, okay, forgot how this algorithm is called. It's a classical type system. Polymorphism. So like this type is so let's call it type variable. Use 64 for an ID. Used only during type inference. Wildcard. Variable number ID. So yeah, I should also find mode this here. What's wildcard co-ir type. So this is a type variable underscore. Why do I have so many things open? This is actually an expression. This is a type. This is type inference. Yeah, let's ignore this for now. Then a constant, and yeah, I mean, the constant only cares about target type, but we do actually need type info. If the type is wildcard, then I set a type to type info type variable. So if set a type to a target type. Can I just do this? I mean, I need an integer type, not just a wildcard. I don't know. So constant. Need to provide type info. Makes sense. Then I need to here. Oh, if this target type is like complete type. So I make complete method. Here I do I mean like the reference are hash type equals if target type dot complete target type clone, else I'm gonna need a type variable. But I mean I can't just infer a type if it's wrong. But even type checking should take care of that. Also, if it's so hard. Like it may be partially complete and then I also should accept it. I mean, if it's partially complete, I don't actually accept it. I set a type inference info. So target type complete. Need to make complete. Oh, this last one really throws me out. Throws me off, I mean. And I don't know where to put it. Actually, let me do a quick edit. No one is gonna notice. Overlay moderates and Q plushie. X is I'm gonna do width of 400. Frame buffer size and also the frame buffer size. Index that's have size. I'm gonna draw a world. and then I'm gonna have UI. This is gonna be a come on. Okay, panel. I need Rust Analyzer to work. Oh, finally. Okay, this is a panel X. And I'm gonna also move out padding. Do this some message padding. Size. Yes, size, outline, and width. Yeah, I need to rename this to panel like that. Panel width. So yeah, message padding. Then I need to replace it by message padding here and here as well. Well, actually, this panel.x, add width, add padding. No, I'm gonna leave the normal padding here. Okay, so this is a chat, and then this is a shell. And then me typing a message. So this is padding, which I'm gonna set actually here to 5. Then size, outline. This should be text size. Outlines available in a different scope in the same function. Yes, why would you care? Text size, and here text size also. Oh, yeah, makes sense. Like a base outline, but for smaller text I use smaller outline. FOV. What is that? Why is that? Yes, fine. So yeah, width padding. X is also here. It's gonna be panel X, panel X. Yeah, actually I'm gonna should be fine. Except what's wrong? In moders 155 line. Text size. Oh no. So yes, the default text size is also gonna be here. The custom outline. Where is the text size in this one? Is it like comes from here? Okay, this should compile now. Oh, completely forgot I wanted to overlay, update. It's just a quick distraction, nothing serious. This one. lines shell lines shell lines, and what I wanted to change is let shell lines close like 10. We're gonna do this. Okay, now it should work. Building chat trim. Building. Because this side should be more free. Like, okay, loading process. I finally made it show at least something, at least in the CLI. 88 plushes we have right now. And here, oh, they all loading. Orange Pi, Python, Cubic Torrent, QMK, Raspberry Pi, 3-seater, Twitch, Vim, VLC, Vulkan, Ghosty. Here are different groups. Here's Captain Onosa. Not sure how to pronounce. Yeah. Okay, so if I do shls no df -h. Okay, yeah. We have quite a bit more space here. It's not all just 10 lines. You have 200 megabytes of the home partition left. And the chat is here, so this doesn't distract me much. And of course, I want to commit it. And also, there's more space for chat messages. And I really need to get word drop working, but I just don't know how to. So commit. Like I need a monospace font for this also. Some layout changes. Push. Let me just put in my to-do list that I need a monospace font and word drop for it. Monospace. Monospace font and word wrap for it. It's in my to-do list with a lot of other things, including Twitter. I've changed my Twitter username after they deleted my account and restored it. So yeah, generate complete method. This is a function that returns a boolean. Match self true. So those are all complete. Custom will be later. We'll deal with generics later. Unit as well. Wildcard and type variable are incomplete. And error is error. I consider error type complete. Actually, I'm not gonna, because if I infer types on error, it would get something out maybe, but also at the same time it might lead to some errors, so maybe I should actually okay, doesn't really matter for now. If the type is error, error is obviously reported before, already reported. So if it's not, I'm gonna I am gonna do type info dot alloc type variable. Type variable. This locating a new type variable. So yeah, type info will be just for type inference. And I still kind of want to rename all those type infos into type inferences. Inference like this. Make global replace. Okay, grep. There be max be define type info. Okay, so where is it? Rename this to type info. Type info to type inference. Inference. Info. Inference. Type info. Wait, what? Is this all? Crazy. Okay, and this is just a type inference struct. Now we have to save and close all those files, except for this one, because I don't want to close it. I want to implement allocate type variable, which takes mutable self type table. I mean, I need, yeah, it doesn't deallocate, so next type variable ID. Next type variable. Okay, some next type variable ID. Let ID. Let's do it as the how it should be done. And I'm not saying it's a good way of doing this, because I don't really care if it starts with 1 or with 0. Oh, and allocate type variable. I need to pass into it at least a partial type. So I'm gonna pass into it a rhash type, which I'm gonna move out, I guess. Remove the extra argument. No, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna remove it. Type okay, so here I'm gonna push into it the ID. It's not a string, it's a U64, and actually I should say it's a type variable ID. I'm gonna do pop-struct type ID U64 ID used for type inference with Miller algorithm. Okay, so and this will be type variable ID, and this will be type variable ID, and this will return type variable ID. Move occurs because it doesn't implement copy. I need to derive all the traits on it. clone, copy, debug, partial q, q, partial ord, and hash. Oh my god, and I'll need to derive all the 30 types, but yeah, all the 30 traits, but I'll do it later one day. Type of variable ID. No, I am not gonna clone it. I need to move it out. How do I move it out safely? I mean, I want it to be fully optimal, so like that. I don't want it to look bad, but I want it to be optimal. Because I want to move this out, and then I'm guaranteed to set it back. How am I gonna do this? I guess let's just clone. It's not that expensive. Maybe optimizer will optimize this out, but like, yeah, a value. We don't really need it. Same thing here. Can I actually do like this? Like paste it here and put a bar. Will this work? I think it actually works like that in Rust. Yeah, cool. So the same type inference. I'm gonna need an integer type, but later. It's not that critical here. So now I have errors. Why? Oh, I need next type variable ID. Come on, let's just derive. I mean, not derive, but make a whatever. Make a new function of this. Create a new type inference. Type inference. New, which takes a root, a return type, and the reporter. Everything else can be made here in place. Named arguments. No, not getting those. More errors in types. Why? Oh, because I need to like 0. Actually, I should derive display on it, and also I need docs complete or not. To infer, say. Next I need to derive, not derive, probably just implement display. For type variable ID, just write type variable. Actually, I'm just gonna do this. And let's just qualify 5. And here I'm actually gonna do just ID. Okay, so we have this and the constant. Now let's go into that don't really matter. Let's go into an expression itself. So constant here, constant just infer it. Binary operator or binary operation here is where I started to think about how am I gonna do this. I'm trying to infer types with the target type. I mean, yeah, target type should be a target type, I guess. I also can pass wildcard type here. Or should I just pass wildcard type here? No, I'm gonna pass target type. So we have a little bit more freedom, which actually might be bad. 2.8 gigabytes, what's this all? If you're wondering, run the command called sh and find out. So yeah, we have types, infer them. Now I need to make them like a single type. So basically set constraint quality. How do I say in English that I make something equal? Something equal. Equate. Yeah, see, professional English here. So I need type inference, and I'm gonna do this one type inference equate those types, and I'm actually, do I make it? No, I don't need to make them mutable, because why? And let's generate the equate method. Make two types equal. Even AI doesn't know this word. To equate. To equate means to make things equal, and it's useful word because this is something people do all the time. Yeah, makes sense. Oh, yay! Such a nice analytics. I don't know why, but for some reason YouTube always sets this to private, and I think it's actually public right now, because if I look into the playlist, it's public, but might be private. Just make them left hand side and right hand side. Then oh, I need to. I don't need a return type on this. So here, left hand side dot. Oh, and if they are not equal, like can't really derive equals on the type. Do we get rid of this equals? Okay, fine. Left hand side. I need to match the match. Left hand side, right hand side. If where is it? Can just stay. I need to make types. I need to say like it's the sequel is ambiguous, but at the same time having an equal derived on this enum, like, and I can say this one, basically all those types, equality works. Later it doesn't, and really, I mean, by it doesn't, I mean it may return false negatives. And here, actually, here it also works. Here it's sure negative. There is error. But that's the only where I need to check actually if they are equal. Wow, 2 viewers. So yeah, equate ir type. If I have one type b a type variable left hand side and the other type variable, I need to do some painful work to find them here and put them in the same row if they aren't yet in the same row. Oh wow, this is gonna be a pain, to be honest. Noise set indices, yeah, let's just index self type table, yeah, I guess interposition, where what just takes an item. Yeah, I was right. I need IDs. Is this a valid syntax in Rust? Does Rust vector has contained? What? Slice can a slice have contains method? Didn't know that really. But yeah, indices if oh, if they are not expect invalid variable, so if they are not equal, oh, this is gonna be actually this should be pretty easy. So if left hand side index is greater, I swap them. No, actually let's just say that left hand side gets to be kept and say self type table left hand side index dot 0 extend I can extend from slice from within. Extend reserve. Okay, let's just extend it from the drain, I guess. Self type table at right hand side index the drain drain for a tuple, yeah, because I need to drain types, I mean IDs, and then left hand side index dot 1, which is a type. I'm gonna set to self type table. Why can't I just... Oh, I can't just borrow it. Dot... so I need to do one, yeah. And then gonna or this. May do... May I actually do this without cloning or moving stuff around? Why? That's unfortunate. Can I derive it? Yeah, wait, I can derive it. I mean, implement it. Where are types? Where are my types? So I have bit or, which is pretty simple for now. Bit or assign, yeah, right. But, wow, this is... Why? Come on. Cannot move out. I need to move it out because I'm moving it back in later. Why? Like I can move switch implementations around probably, which doesn't normally make sense, but here I can just do self bit or right hand side and return self. Bit or assign and make this mutable. That's Rust. Let's just say that's Rust, baby. That's how Rust works. R type match self. Made to self equals match self. Like that. This is of type. Okay, fine. I never wanted to clone so badly. Self equals right hand side. And here I'm just gonna do nothing. Because they are incompatible. So yeah. So here I also need a few more. Expected because of this. What's wrong? Oh, you just need to do this. Expected enum type font struct vector of variable ID because this is supposed to be one here. Oh, and also since I've moved it out, self type table remove right hand side index, and I just noticed this should be right hand side index. This bug would be so much pain to find. Okay, so then here I have you'll have IR type variable type capital T H. On the left hand side I have a type variable, on the right hand side I have a right hand side. Or actually I should do type variable and type type Where am I using this method? Can you remind me? I equate types of those expressions. So I mean like on generics I'll care about generics later on. But I mean I just need to right now actually yeah no maybe I don't know. Yeah, I'll probably need to care about generics, but I don't have them yet, and I think it will work just fine for them. So yeah, I need to self-type table, not push type table find iter find which they will give me an option of an item by predicate IDs contains expected type. Okay, so this is IDs hash type kill do like that. Oh, I need to put equals here. So yeah, our hash type is a type. I just need to OR it with. Oh wait, yeah, hold on. This will be a type variable. I'm gonna override it. Link. And here I actually need to clone it probably. Non-exhaustive patterns. Yeah, I'll also need to just any types. I mean, what can I do with arbitrary types? Except for handling generics. Generics. I mean, right now I see how painful actually type inference is, and then when I get to generics, how painful is this gonna be? So yeah, right now I don't need to handle anything mutable. And what's wrong? Oh no. Okay, I guess extend from slice. Not draining this. It's still just mutably borrow later used by call. Clone. Consider cloning. Oh no. Come on, those are two different indices. You can have two borrows. You can have them. Rust vector find two elements and return them. Map I values I, but I mean I can't just borrow mutably multiple times. Oops. I can't use it. I need to get two mutable references. Get two mutable references from a vector or a slice. Doesn't really matter. If they are like Iter's mute somewhere. Says mute slice. What? So it's iterates. Oh wow, this is actually interesting. And I mean, I have to do this. Pretty much have to do this, but like, wait, where am I? I should be doing this here. I'm gonna try to do this actually left hand side and right hand side. I can just write. Actually, will this work like that? Probably not. It's not buffers, yeah. Self-type table. Iter mute. And this is gonna be filter map. Actually, it's gonna be just filter. So this is IDs and the type. And I'm gonna return if IDs contains left hand side or right hand side, and doesn't matter at all if I'm gonna do like I'm actually gonna rename this for it to be to make more sense, so it's like type just can't think of a better name. Glitchin might not have had the expected associated types. The vector slicing here. What? Rare slice found. Slicing here. May I make this rastcast collect iterator into exactly and elements into an array, not a slice, not a vector, into an array. Need to like, oh, it's try into. Yeah, I was searching for something like this. Into, and I'm gonna unwrap here. Actually, no. Actually, I can't unwrap this. I'm gonna say type variables, and if they are different, if let some type 1 and type 2 equals type variables try into. Oh, it's okay. I mean, it's a slice. I don't want to use the qualified path. Type 2. But I mean, I need to. I have to. To qualified. No, it's not like that. Yeah, I guess I have to use actually full types. Some mutable reference to a tuple of vector of type variable ID, something like this. Remove these generics. What's wrong? Oh no, no, I can't use it like this, but can I do it like a result? Okay, actually, I've got an idea. Variables calls into. Oh, are you back, Captain Onosa? How do I pronounce it properly? So represent result. Why am I'm heavily, yeah. Nice to hear this. Error. What's the error? Error should is probably something like this. Or like this. So would you try this command? Type variables trying to. I actually wonder what will happen if you write it without arguments. I guess nothing. So you need to provide arguments. So yeah, now I have type variables as a result. Ooh, JavaDX9 is live. Oh wait, I'm capturing way too much. So yeah, I can say like type. Now I can do type 1 dot. Oh wait, I need indices. I need both of them. So I should do like I should probably do enumerate and do like, yes, this is getting very complex, but I think it's worth it. Use size. Yeah, why didn't I just do use size here? I'll leave U64 because it's a constant size, why not? So yeah, this seems. Oh, and I need to move this mute here. Okay, so here now I can. Oh, one index. Actually, I don't need type 1 index, I need type 2 index. Index type 2 IDs. Yeah, this is a very complex type. And here I do type 1 IDs. Type 1 IDs. I'm gonna extend them from slice. I'm gonna extend them from an iterator. Now I can do this. Type 2 IDs dot into. I mean, I can't do into iterator, but I can drain it. I can drain it. I can drain it completely. Okay, and now I can replace this by type 1. Probably should put an asterisk here. And this will be type 2. I have to clone it. No, I don't really need to. because then I'm gonna remove it anyway to index. So here, if oh wow, so type variable. This is a so this is a type. Find do I have find mute? Oh no, I have intermute. That's what I need. Yeah. Now it should work. Equate, and this is type checking, which I'm gonna comment out, not just delete, because I'll actually need it. And I need to probably return a type from the equate. So this should be like that. Equate should return a type. And it's, of course, it's gonna be cloned. So here I am gonna say type 1, else I'm gonna say left hand side, hidden care. I even know I have to like do type variable 0. 1 clone. AI is probably right. Oh, result. Else. Oh wow, this is such a complex type. Unwrap error. I mean, I don't have to, because I should convert this if to match. Place flat with match, and the error variables. And put this. And here I'm gonna just do type of variable clone, and this a random selection of types, left hand side and right hand side. I'm gonna probably just say like this. It's gonna be, so yeah, I need to let type. Oh man, this code looks terrible. Like, oh, and also I got a suggestion on the last stream that I should make the font bigger. Not that big, probably something along. I mean, I'm not used because this overlay is actually on top of the Lua line, which is not how I designed it to, but I mean, this side of the Lua line, who cares? Text doesn't reach here, so it's pretty much readable. So yeah, it's a little too large for me. Equate, now we've equated them. Now block, I mean block, what can block say? Block is just running type inference on each of its childs, and then will run also on tail expression, which I don't yet have. Function call, oh wow. For a function call, what do I do for a function call? I mean, yeah, each argument is for sure type from signature. Generics, no, please. Yeah, generics are gonna, it's for later. Then I have span here. Oh, it's if I didn't find a function, couldn't find a function. This is for error for later for error checking. Return expression, infer types. Yeah, for return expression it's pretty simple also. Maybe, just maybe, I should also make returns. I mean, like in Rust, you can return an impleterator, which is not really possible with this. But I think it's easily, well, not maybe not that easily, but pretty extendable. Just need to make a return type somehow inferable. See, and then this is gonna go into type checking. Now let's run it and see what happens. Oh wow, it compiles and it runs. I've expected it to. I mean, what could I expect if I don't yet have anything that can infer types in a more complex ways? Like here it only inferred this type and that's all. Because this literal is actually an integer, a 32-bit integer. But once I introduce variables, and actually I wanna try release, yeah, cargo. No, I need to go into, let's just close this for now. CLI. I need a little better CLI interface if I want to, you'll see. So right now I'm just parsing the file, the path. I think I should just say args clap cargo add clap package CLI and features derive. Is it here? Yeah, I need to enable it manually. Now I need to go into clap wiki or whatever it is. Rest in example derive example. I don't know why this why this feature got is not enabled by default, because it's such a nice thing. Like you can just say this and yeah, you're done. Okay, so optional name to operate in. I am probably just gonna put either a name of the type or, I mean, no, literally, well, name of the type, I mean name of the file, path of input file, use for standard input, yep, and that's all arguments I'm gonna do for now. Talk about none, derive parser, use, literally, or what's this, club parser. Oh, I can just use parser. No subcommands here. So your path. Path buff. I need to qualify it. So yeah, how am I gonna parse it? CLI parse, easy. Initialize logger, parse CLI arguments. Now I'm gonna create parse CLI path. If CLI path is equal to dash, I'm gonna need to do some work before I can do this. Like parse expects this. Oh wow, parse takes a parser source. So yeah, here source. I mean, I can just do it like this. So I have at least some interface to Oracle length create Oracle length parser lexer is Oracle length lexer here as well, and the path is Oracle src. There's load and there's a new. I need new. Why is path coming first in new? I need to fix this. Content path. Okay, now I have I'm gonna have, instead of path I'm gonna do buffer, not here but here, and as a content I'll have stdio stdio in I mean rust std in read all piped for lining. That means this is an infinite loop. Oh wow, this is interesting. Having a break here. So are those two programs same? Is this actually, does this actually end? I didn't know that. Yeah, I guess a lock read to string actually string read to end stream read all, not a stream but read to string. Does read to string read all, or is it just all bytes? Yeah, read to string. So I'm gonna let source equals stdio std in read to string. I'm gonna do mute source, and here I'm gonna do a string new. Do I unwrap it? Does it return a result? Okay, so does this return yeah, it's the result, so I shouldn't wrap it. And here I do source is Yeah, it's source. New doesn't panic. I mean, doesn't return results. This I might into. And the reporter is gonna be mute. I mean, I need the reporter. Let reporter. Yeah, default reporter. Just put it everywhere here. And put it here. Reporter. Also, I need to make them mutable. Make this mutable. So, and we should be done, I think. Okay, if I just run it, it's gonna stop. Oh, I need to provide a path. So here I need to Linux terminal end of file hotkey Control D. I wonder if it actually works. Oops. Oh. Yeah, it works. Wow, crazy. I have almost a REPL, but I mean, I'm gonna have a normal REPL soon. Well, soon. When the soon is gonna be, I don't know. Oracle lang samples simple. That's what I actually need to do. And here I want to do cargo or build release package Oracle CLI. I want to build a release version, and you'll see what I'm gonna do with it. Oh, just 1.5 hours of streaming. Unfortunately, not much chatting is going on, and average viewers. But I mean, yesterday's stream got like 1.5 average viewers, which was a lot for me. Haven't got this much in like 2 months of not streaming. But before I left, I've got quite a lot of views, and by quite a lot I mean 2 at most on average. Then people stopped watching me like 1 or 2 streams, and then I've got very busy because Olympics and stuff. And then I came back after 2 months, like literally 3 or 4 streams ago. And yesterday's stream got like 1.5 viewers on average. People chatted quite a lot. I mean, I've discovered a game and a programming language on that stream. Then earlier today was a stream without viewers. What I mean, I was pretty exhausted. I was tired. I couldn't even do. I couldn't do type inference, but I had to. Yeah. Come on. Why it's wait 102 crits? Oh wait, I've added clap. That's why. I mean, it was like 92 or 97 or something. So yeah, if we now do target release Orco CLI dash fn main, which returns size 32, return 42, control D, and then gcc foo.o, and then a.out, and then echo. I'm expecting some kind of output after every program, but no, I don't need to. Yeah, it works now. I'm gonna run LDD on this. Hold on the program. on the compiler, not on the compiled program. Some. Okay, I need to cp target release org CLI to /mnt/twitch. Come on. Change ownership /mnt/twitch. And infinite coder users. There's I am not showing my password. I've leaked my password before, like not once even. On the stream I was using like display key or whatever. So now if I go into Twitch, wait, what? Oh, I've changed ownership. Now I need to copy it. Yeah, now I have this executable here. Now what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna open a podman container. Clear ls. Come on, I need podman image. I wish I could make like podman container persist and packages. Users, they need to treat it like a normal system. What's Quadlet? Maybe Docker has a solution for this. Can Podman run Docker files? Builds an image using instructions from one or more container files or Docker files specified. Enter leave for document file, yeah. From copy run. Any example? Just scroll to examples. I know they are here. Of course. Choosing local container files. You put main build dot. Okay, I'm gonna quit this. I'm gonna here. I'm gonna vim container file, which I'm gonna probably say Docker file. So compatible. Example Docker file. Syntax. Okay, let's just copy it, paste it here. What's expose? And I need just Alpine from Alpine. Work dir home, not whole. Command. What's this? Okay, I'm gonna run apk add 3cc. Add c Alpine c compiler gcc just a gcc package. Oh, it's build base. I need a package build base instead. Okay, so copy. What's copy? I don't need to copy. Docker image. I guess everything else is just actually Docker file specify volumes. Files. Oh. Container ignore, Docker ignore. You're kidding me. Okay, file volumes viewer mount. Yeah, I know. Inside the Docker file. Can I do it inside the Docker file? Let's compose. I mean, I can probably just use podman's command. Podman build dot build dot, and what is it gonna do? Installing stuff. And step 4 is exposing something. I don't know what it's gonna expose and where. I guess I don't care. Okay, it built, and now I've got a container. Pod and list container list. Oh, it actually has. Wait, yeah, I think created status. Wait, no. Yes, I don't know. Podman PS. Yeah, podman kill. I actually need to remove this one. Okay, I need to kill this one. Okay, I don't know. I don't know how to use podman. Apparently, because I'm not who is good at it. That's an image. So is there like podman image list? Yeah, interesting. An image rem this Podman build here. I need to somehow name. I need to somehow specify name. Docker file set name, maybe name. Why is it using all Docker compose? Okay, I guess let's just see name here. There's T. There's T Twitch. Twitch shell. No, Twitch Linux. Okay, hold on. I need to Docker file. I need to remove this expose, whatever was it. Okay, building Twitch Linux. Yeah, guys, you're on Twitch, you'll get your own Linux. Yes, I mean, it's not only Twitch, but I have a partition called Twitch, so like, doesn't really matter. Okay, now I have Podman run, and I'm gonna do Twitch Linux with a custom image. GCC should be available. I wonder, will this run? Nobody root. Nobody. See, root read write x read write x. File. I'll delete. Earth load shared library. This. Wow, this was long. What can I do? libc. Okay, add libc. Debian Slim. Docker image. Debian.buster slim. Yeah, I mean, Debian buster is kinda outdated already, but I mean, who cares? And exit podman pool docker io. This pulling it. I love as much as I love Alpine Linux. For some reason, it doesn't work here. I guess fine. And here then I'm gonna apt install build essential. I need echo build Sage. Build a Sage and Docker file into container. T2 files less container. I'm not sure of hey. This was from my old testing. Then just build. Unable to locate package. Oh wow, this was so fast. Okay, unable to locate package. Build essential. What? Isn't build essential on Debian? Or I need to update first? Or is it apt get or vs apt? Run. Okay. Oops, that's wrong. Apt get apt get. Here building the container. Wow, that's a lot. Oh, not enough disk space, I see. That's very unfortunate. It dash y. I need to get more disk space. For this I need to open GNOME disks and mount the partition. Edit its size, mount it back. Probably have some problems with it. Because I mean, I've left you just a little bit of space. But I mean, the container itself shouldn't have any problems with this. Oh, it's because dash y. Yeah, this was the only thing. Asking for std input killed it totally. Okay, it's building the container. Hopefully it won't. I won't have to. Yeah. I don't have to. I probably don't have to rebuild it every time I want to use it. So I need image list none. What's this none? Image this. Oh, image isn't used by a container. Wow, that's interesting. So size is 315. Actually, no, I don't need to give you more space. Because why would I need to? So yeah, this is running the container. Less. Wow, this is so fast. We change mode. Why is this so bad? Why? Version glibc. Oh wow, this is such a pain. Can you just build it with Rust in it? Docker file. Rust Docker container. Rust official image. Based on what? Supported text and respective Docker file links. Oh, wow. I need to find a way to take it down for maintenance. Yeah. So Rust, it's a Slim Buster or Slim Bullseye, who knows? I'm actually gonna do this. Paste, oops. Paste like that. Podman pool Rust. Hold on, I need to pull this. Wow, that takes some time. This will actually take some time, quite some time. Maintained by the Rust developers, the Rust project developers. Who they are, no one knows. But they are the developers of this great language. Their copy, what is this copy dot dot? I still don't understand it. And I mean, I'm using containers for what they are actually useful, which is virtualization, and not dependency management, for which Nix and their shells are useful and much better, I think, personally think. Is the stream still live? What am I even doing? Plushy, distro, Arch with Snapcraft, GNOME as a desktop environment, Alacrity as a terminal, Bash as a shell, and you obviously have to have Lazarus installed as an editor, which I never used, but don't tell everyone, anyone please. So Podman run. I don't need to specify working directory anymore. Probably, yeah. CLI. Oh man, I need CSH or fish. Let me actually. First, I need to echo this. I'm gonna do fish, or at least bash. Yeah, why would they do fish when they have bash? Run sh shell sh dot sh docker file. I'm gonna run sudo apt get update. I mean sudo. I don't need sudo here probably. Get install fish build. I don't like this. Okay, I'm using Rust, then I'm building all this all. Dash Y, I need to do dash Y. Obviously it takes some time. I mean, building a database of man pages. That's probably because fish parses man pages. Who knows? Who knew? I mean, I knew. Change mode plus x shell sh. Oh wow, fish. LDD. No, I have to copy the entire source code of Orco here. Actually, I can do this by mounting it. Vim shell. Yeah, I can. It's cool. mnt dev rust libraries orco and I need to mount it to slash orco, and I can mount it as I obviously do. I don't really know what this Z stands for, but I guess orco cd slash orco go cargo build release. Oh, this is actually cool. And here I'm building for the whatever architecture I'm using on this container. I don't know why the image from host doesn't work. Maybe because it's mixed? I don't think so. Warning, missing documentation. Oh, actually I need to go into Orco SRC. Let's run cargo clippy and look at its output. 30 minutes. Oh, it's building. Am I building simultaneously? This is interesting. Manual implementation of map. Yeah, I know. I expect here. Parser expressions blocker as. Yeah, I've decided to switch back from this. And that's the wrong file. Expr block. And I mean here I'm passing it. I'm passing a function here. Oh wow, I need to revert a lot of stuff. May okay, so body is Docker actually loads my CPU quite a lot. I mean Podman, and I mean in the actual application I've limited it, of course. I actually can do body into here, which is easier. Looks to me at least. In tests, I don't care about tests for now. Who can say it? Okay, we've built. Did it just build here? Oh, it's there. What? Oh, yeah, makes sense. Without mm, without colors, I can't really tell. Release Orco CLI, and it actually works. Now I'm gonna cp it into slash home. Home. Exit this container. I'm gonna run a shell inside it. Now Orco CLI. And here you go. If I echo some code into main, turn 0 into Orco CLI and main that returns i32 and then gcc foo.o and then run a.out and then echo. This is gonna be 0. And if I do 1042 here, gcc and run and echo. Yeah, my compiler officially works in a Docker container. Hooray! This is so weird. But yeah, now I need to add a file called something like compile sh. Oh, vim is not a thing. I mean, I can just do it in here. Sh, not in here actually, but in /mnt/twitch. Compile. Just let's vim compile sh, and here I'm gonna do here I am gonna do orco CLI /home /orco CLI dash and then you could just mount a read-only directory, but I'm lazy. And then gcc foo.o and then a.out and then I'll also make this all. Is this what I need? Do I enable rust log? I don't think I do, because why? Chmod +x compile sh and then st back shell. I'm gonna enter my shell here, compile sh com fn main turn size 32. Actually, I'm gonna do extern fn put as char pointer message fn main, which returns it doesn't have to return anything actually. It has hello world and pipes this into event not found. What? What is wrong here? Bash event not found. Oh, I need to escape the exclamation mark. Not yet implemented variables. Oh, so parentheses as well, probably. Quotes, of course. Hey, is there a raw string in bash? Bash, I mean, it's just shell. No, it's fish. Actually, it's fish. Hold on. Fish raw string. Okay, maybe I should just put single quotes here. Do they? We have to. Wow, playing around. Okay. What's better? Oh, and it's a C string. So, like that. Warning location against. What? Okay, so I32. Actually, I should return. Seems like I have to. And now, what? What? Echo this extern fn put s message char pointer fn main which runs an integer 32 test string return 0 should work. What's wrong? Cat compile sh gcc foo.do if I echo it into oracle cli dash dot slash gcc foo.do. Relocation against is in read-only section text. Huh? I mean, it should work. I don't know why. See. Compile sh. I don't know why it's giving me a warning of relocation, etc. But I mean, if now I enter a shell and type something like that here, we get a hello world, and I'm gonna echo this. As an example, may escape those characters knows to raw string. Echoes this. Okay, so actually I'm gonna remove them. I'm gonna say echo here to example s. So just example sh vim example sh. I'm gonna do echo quoted single quoted. So you can echo, I mean cat example sh, copy this quickly, open a shell, paste it, and it works. So now what I've been doing, shell rs, what ff shell rs is, need to replace this by Twitch Linux, and then I can remove this. So yeah, actually I'm gonna ls I am gonna put dash w here just so I have it, and here I'm gonna sorry chat, hold on, I'm gonna build it, test it, and then I think I'm gonna raid because it's 2 hours. I'm like already for like 40 minutes I'm just working with containers instead of doing actual useful stuff. And it's pretty late, 11 p.m. Didn't realize it. I might need to wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. Well, not really need, but nothing is stopping me from this. Okay, so it loaded. Now let's do shls. We have those files. Now let's do echo. What? Echo. What? Extern fn put s message sharp pointer fn main turns I32 put s hello world. Oh, then getting dangerous. I can't see. I need to get it right. Single quote space bar space com compile sh. No, what did they say? Unterminated quoted string. What's wrong? I saw I did it all right. Oh, maybe it's actually just sh. But I mean, let's do a simpler one. Let's actually do test. Hello world. Like this. If I get quotes here, sh echo. Fn main turns S32. But I mean, I can't just. Oh, actually, I can return 42 and pipe it into compile sh, and I'm gonna echo this unterminated quoted string. What's wrong? May just let me just switch to Twitch, because typing it all again and again is kinda annoying. So let me just mute myself. Obviously, I don't want to listen to myself. Now let's copy this, paste it here. Oh wow, I can't see anything because of this. Wow, actually I can't see anything. Okay, so sh echoes this. I may try using just normal quotes. Pipe it into compile sh and echo as a result. Syntax error, unterminated quoted string. What do you mean? What do you mean? Is it all just pointless? Find main return 42 bar. Maybe I should just do this. I mean, not just, but do this. What do you mean? Syntax error. Syntax error. Unterminated quoted string. I mean, it's not bash, it's sh. A shebang line. Do I have to use a shebang line here. Slash mnt slash twitch compile stage slash bin slash sh. Okay, so, but I mean, it's wrong. Still wrong. Terminated quoted string when they make the name. I don't understand what's wrong. SH pipes. Are pipes in SH? Maybe not. Then I need to rebuild the container. But I mean, it's easy to do so. Cd container vim docker file. I'm actually gonna, instead of fish, I'm gonna do zsh or just bash actually. I'm gonna build it. Then I'm gonna vim run, I mean shell. Replace this by, oh, it's actually bash here. And then I need to edit it again. Yay. I need shell rs. Wow, we've got another viewer. Is it interesting seeing me trying to get my overlay to work, to do very weird things? Actually, am I still live? Is my microphone working? Just in case, because I remember it's breaking because of its wireless too bad, and I had to replace it. Thankfully, I have some Type B wires from old Arduinos Unos, which I don't have working Arduino Unos, but I have wires from them. I actually wonder where did they go, and then I remember how I unsoldered some components from my Uno when broke a leg of, oh, it was such an Uno. It had a deep at mega. Okay, no, I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna run this bang sh. But the unexpected end of line while looking for matching what? For matching quote. What do you mean? Unexpected end of file. Can you just work? What's wrong? What is wrong with this thing? Let me actually just open bash. It just opens and it just grabs. What's wrong? Why? Can you just cd container shell? If I do bash -c and then all of this in single quotes, it works. Why unexpected end of file? Maybe actually, maybe just maybe I should do like I should do like wrap this, not like this, shell rs I need. Should like wrap the command inside the quote characters. And if you're wondering why I'm using the library path here, I don't know. Without it, it doesn't catch some shared libraries which are placed in /usr/lib. I suppose it's Nix messing around with my files, with my programs. Like cargo maybe is, I mean cargo isn't installed by Nix here. Oh wait, actually I have direnv here. Direnv, how do I pronounce it? So maybe it's pulling out my shell.nix and then doing some weird stuff with it. But I mean, shell is actually running in there in my plushy editor, and it seems to not run here. Okay, let's see if it works. But I mean, then, yeah, no, yes, what? Command not found echo rem42 colon. I mean, return semicolon. Really? Okay, now to grep main. What's wrong now? Backslash command not found. This is painful. Come on. Like I have bash dash c single. I mean, I don't need single quotes there. ls works. So if I do sh echo hi, echo hi command not found. Oh no, so bad. Chat cargo tool. Why am I searching for cargo tool? I need shell rs. Wait, did I actually overwrite compile.sh? Have to check. No, it's fine. Oh wait, have I actually overwritten grep? I mean, this isn't really a big deal if I did, because it's a Docker container. But I mean, why isn't it working? Like, I'm asking you to work. Okay, so I need echo fn main. Let's do this. Bash dash c line 1 unexpected end of file. Do I have like it trimmed off for some reason? I mean, no, if I can run less. Put a space into it. No. Man, this is getting. Why Twitch chat is on the right? Why? ssh echo. So basically echo, if I do double quotes, expected end of file. Is this because of I mean semicolon? Ah, okay, if I, oh wait, hold on, there's parentheses. I mean braces or brackets. What is those called? Unexpected end of file. Okay, let's do it simpler. I'm gonna remove this part and see if it works. Yeah, it works. Now I'm gonna add this, basically. See if it works. It works. Now I'm gonna put return 0 here and see if it works. It works. Now I'm gonna put a backslash and a semicolon here and see if it doesn't work. And it doesn't work. With backslash, without backslash. How do I escape a semicolon? Escape semicolon bash. With the plus, what? I mean, it doesn't work, unfortunately. Can I, did I want to do? Can I use single quotes here? I mean, those are easier to work with, right? Unexpected end of file. Chink a single quote. Semicolon just marks an end of file for some reason. Oh, oh no. I know what it is. I think I know what it is. Yeah. My bad. My bad. What? Moderate. If it's a sage. I'm gonna remove this from here. If message trim strip prefix bang sh, let some cmd equals shell command cmd turn. Do I just return? Okay, so should work. So nothing is stopping you from typing bang sh any command you want. Use semicolons as much as you want. Just realized my parser was doing it wrong the whole time. It was a problem. Completely forgot about those semicolons. Okay, now I can copy this. Oh, stream elements. Emacs, plushie Emacs. Yeah, Emacs is a plushie in fact. I wonder if stream elements actually pulls from a big list or some old small list. Because I had an old small list and I had a huge list. Okay, so I actually can take this line, copy it and paste it. Yes, there is a limit of, oh, wow. How cool is that? Invalid token. Expect. Oh, C. I forgot about C again. And I don't see anything. Need to put C here. Because it's a C string, literal. Yes, it's a weird choice, but yes. Main panicked at not yet implemented variables, and again I messed something up. What was it last time, huh? I did it last time. Huh. Come on, 12 hour stream already. I did it last time. Extern fan put S. Huh. Here. Not yet implemented variables. Test message, char pointer, fan main address, test. Do I escape it? Maybe. Did I just do this again? No, huh. I mean, what's going on? Let me just echo it separately. I mean, you can't see what's happening. Can't really. Now I'm wondering if it's a good idea. If it was a good idea. If it was actually a good idea. Extern function put as message char pointer function main. Feels alright to me. Return put as main I32 put as C hello comma space world exclamation point quotes. Huh. Do you see any errors? I don't. I mean, that's how it gets. That's what it gets. Okay, let's use our disassembly technique to figure out what's wrong, what's going on. Okay, now what happened? Didn't even move. Didn't even move. If I put and echo this, it has to collect two. LD terminated with sick killed? What? Come on, what's happening? Maybe I don't have enough memory. Maybe that's the case. How much did I give you? Cat src chattery src overlay bot shell. Let's try to reproduce it. Twitch home dash w slash home dash CPUs 1 dash memory 2 megabytes. Which I am adding dash interactive Twitch Linux, and I'm doing bash here. And if I just put s here, see, hello world. Oops. Just echo. Oh, it crashes. So that's not enough memory, I guess. Double that. Is it okay? Let's set like 20 megabytes. Yeah, I'm not that I really not that I really don't want you to have much RAM, but I'm setting it as a challenge. So shell rs. What did I use? 20 megabytes. Whole 20 megabytes of RAM. Guys, you just got 10 times more RAM. I mean, so. I mean, it's almost midnight. And yeah, almost midnight. And I'm still awake, still streaming. Should really end the stream already. Streaming. I'll get it working and then end the stream, please. Okay, now we're loading. And once we will load, it will actually work, hopefully. Okay, waiting. Okay, online. And yay! Finally, you can type commands in chat and you'll get your code running in a Docker container. How cool is that? Did any streamer have such an interaction? Maybe I should just add a command that just bang run. I mean, you probably want to prepare your shell, and you have persistent storage. By default, it executes in /home directory. So if you like echo something into a file, you'll have this file stored, and then you can do cat file into compile sh. And I don't know how I'm gonna use it all. Like edit files, I don't know. But it's definitely cool. And I mean, it's so late. Megazone live unplanned. I wonder what Javid is doing. And then we'll find who to raid.
Order. But it depends on a lot of things. So things like your desktop scaling, things like whether you've got shadows on the window, all sorts of other stuff. And I was thinking, if you really wanted to implement sort of a GUI layer of your own on the top here, you need to have really good control over what's going on to that stuff that's slightly outside of the frame. Now, the WinAPI, I mean, Windows is pretty good at displaying windows, so the WinAPI has lots of interesting functions that allow you to explore all of these different structures around how the frame.
But I mean, I'm not just watching a stream. I need to find someone to raid it. I would raid Javid, but he has too much viewers. Too many viewers. Rust is anyone rusting? I mean, oh, some actually. Advent of code, random projects. That's too much viewers. Rustling. Give me more. Rust UI dev for Twitch chat to viewers. Might be a good way. Brilliant. Compiler. Come on, my midnight. And literally everyone goes live. That's how I have to leave. With that, maybe a parser or something like that. Parse. Nah. Figma code generator. Rewriting networking library. Wow. And then just see my slash user slash bin slash ld. Maybe just, hey, new Vim. Looks cool. I guess we found the right subject. Just 3 viewers. I mean, that's a lot compared to me. So yeah, this was kind of a fun stream. Goodbye, YouTube. YouTube started seeing how I find people to rate.